Meta is quietly building new AI models called Mango and Avocado. They don't replace chatbots, but they could change where the real AI battle is happening. While most attention today is on chatbots, Meta is betting on something different. AI that creates images and video at massive scale directly inside social platforms. Later in this video, we'll compare this directly with ChatGPT, and the result might surprise you. But first, let's clarify what Mango and Avocado actually are. Mango and Avocado are not chat models. They are generative media models. Mango focuses on image generation. Avocado focuses on video generation. Their purpose isn't conversation or reasoning. It's content production. And this distinction matters because, as we'll see later, Meta isn't trying to beat GPT at intelligence. It's competing on something else entirely. Mango is Meta's push into practical, large-scale image generation. Its key advantages are expected to be consistency, the ability to keep characters, products and styles stable across many images. Commercial focus, optimized for ads, branding, fashion and social content. Native integration, creation happens inside Meta's platforms, not in a separate tool. And this is important because later we'll see why distribution and integration often matter more than raw image quality in the AI race. Avocado is where Meta's strategy becomes much clearer. Video is the hardest content to generate, the most expensive to produce, and the most valuable for engagement and advertising. Avocado is designed for short-form video, ads, social-first content. Meta is not aiming for cinematic perfection. It's aiming for speed, scalability, and cost efficiency. And in a moment, when we compare this approach with how OpenAI builds AI systems, the difference in philosophy becomes very clear. Now let's return to the comparison we mentioned earlier. ChatGPT, powered by GPT models, is built for conversation, reasoning, explanation, problem solving. GPT Chat is a thinking assistant. Mango and Avocado are not designed to think with you. They are designed to create content for you. So the surprising result is this. These systems are not direct competitors. They're solving different problems. This comparison reveals something bigger about the AI race. OpenAI is focused on building increasingly general, reasoning-capable AI. Meta is focused on something very different. Meta is focused on embedding AI directly into platforms, reaching billions of users and automating content creation at massive scale. OpenAI asks, how smart can this model become? Meta asks, how often will people use this without even thinking about it? And this difference explains why Meta's approach could scale faster, even if its models never look as impressive in demos. Meta's strategy works because it has three major advantages. First, distribution. Meta's platforms already dominate attention across the internet. Second, feedback loops. Creators and advertisers constantly generate data that improves outputs. Third, clear monetization. Ads and content already pay for the infrastructure needed to run these systems. This is what we hinted at earlier. In many cases, scale and placement matter more than peak performance. The AI that people use every day, even casually, often wins over the AI that only looks impressive in controlled demos. That said, this is not a knockout. OpenAI still dominates when it comes to reasoning, planning, deep explanations, and flexible problem solving. Mango and Avocado are specialized tools. GPT Chat is a general-purpose assistant, and that difference matters because general intelligence is still critical for research, learning, and complex decision-making. This is the bigger picture. The AI race is no longer about one model doing everything. It's about where AI shows up, how often it's used, and who controls the platform. Meta may never build the smartest chatbot, but it could build some of the most widely used AI systems on the internet, quietly, invisibly, and at massive scale. GPT Chat represents the future of thinking with AI. Mango and Avocado represent the future of creating with AI. And the real competition isn't model versus model, it's platform versus platform.